Can't find Windows Calculator on your PC? Whether it's missing from the Start menu, search results, or appears to have been uninstalled, there are several simple ways to restore it. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Windows Calculator missing in 2026. First, click the Start menu and type Calculator into the search box. If the app appears, you can launch it immediately or pin it to your Start menu or taskbar for easier access. If Calculator doesn't appear in Search, Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, and check whether Microsoft Calculator is installed. If Calculator isn't installed, open the Microsoft Store, search for Windows Calculator, and click Install. The app is free and only takes a few moments to download. After installing Calculator, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for available updates. Installing the latest Windows updates helps ensure all built-in apps work correctly. If Calculator appears but still doesn't work properly, open its advanced options from the app settings and use the Repair or Reset feature. This can restore missing or damaged app files. Once Calculator is working again, right-click the app and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. This makes it much easier to find and open in the future. And that's how to fix Windows Calculator missing in 2026. Whether the app was hidden, uninstalled, or experiencing problems, these steps should help you restore it quickly and get back to your calculations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.